Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how do I stop files from going to OneDrive. The first thing we will do is click on Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar, then click on OneDrive and then select the gear icon to open the settings option from there. Now you are going to go to the section Sync and Backup. First, you're going to confirm that the toggles, Save Photos and Videos, and Save Screenshots are not enabled. After this, click on Manage Backups. Here, confirm that no switches are enabled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.